What's good, YouTube? SRT8 back with another banger. If you're new to the channel, make sure you drop a like on this video, subscribe. Yeah, we on the road to 100 subscribers. But I got a cool video for you guys today. Like I said last time, mods are coming and mods are here. You see what we got right here? You see it? There it is. New mods, baby. Today for you guys, I'll be installing a front lip splitter and some diffuser fins for the back of the car. To put the front splitter on, a lot of people on YouTube took the front bumper off. Hopefully I don't have to do that again, because you know I did that with my headlights and it kind of took forever. Hopefully I can just drill the splitter on without having to take the front bumper off. So yeah, we're gonna go outside and mess with it. I'm not gonna be filming the whole process because I don't know how long it's gonna take. You'll see how it looks at the end. I got the splitter on eBay. I can put a link in the description if you guys want it. To be honest with you, I don't even know if we're gonna be able to put it on. I might just end up having to return it, because it didn't come with any instructions, so I'm just basically winging it on how I think it's gonna go on. Also, another thing, if you haven't watched the other videos on my channel, make sure you show them some love. I got a Dodge Challenger 2009 SRT8, and I'm trying to grow this channel, you know what I'm saying? I like giving you all this content. We do mods, we do car meets, we do a little vlogging, you know, we do a little racing in Mexico. We do a little bit of everything on this channel. But I'm trying to go big, so if you could support me, I really appreciate it. I've been wanting a front splitter for a while. I think it really will complete the front end and make it look a lot more aggressive. So besides the front splitter and then the back diffuser, which we're going to install today as well, the car's pretty much done from the outside, cosmetic wise. So after the splitter goes on and the diffuser, the only thing that's really left is the interior of the car and then performance. We almost a third of the way built, pretty much, which is pretty exciting. But yeah, guys, I'm about to go outside and start this process. I'll pick back up the camera when the splitter's on and the diffuser's on and show you guys what it looks like. I figured I'll give you all a cold start, you know what I mean? It's the car of the channel, so here we go. Damn. The way that thing pops off a cold start is crazy. So guys, I forgot to tell you this too. We had a little problem yesterday. I woke up and look, a big nail for a screw. I got a screw in my tire, so hopefully I'm gonna get that taken care of today, because I couldn't drive my car at all yesterday. I was pretty tight. My dad's got a little toy in the garage as well. A little 87 Corvette. Say what's up to YouTube.
Dude, I'm
There it is. Little cold start from like a month. My dad used to be wilding in this thing. He told me it's been rebuilt like twice. He used to daily this thing. Literally 87 Corvette. This thing is sweet. This thing is tough. Yeah, he used to get busy in that thing. As you can see, he drives just like me. All right, guys, so the garage is cleared out. We're about to pull mine in and then start this process. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'll get back to you guys when it's done. It's like 3 hours later, but both pieces are on. Now the car looks insane right now, I think. It looks so aggressive. The diffuser fins are on, the front lip is on, and it looks like one of them ones, you know what I'm saying? It looks like one of them cars, you know what I'm saying? But here, I'm about to show you guys. Peep those fins though. They look crazy. The whole back end just looks so different now. And then if we move on to the front, the lip is on too. Damn. This thing looks crazy. The lip really changes the whole front end, and the diffuser changes the whole back end. I'm really happy with how it came out. You see it's carbon fiber too, which matches this carbon fiber stripes and the other carbon fiber that y'all know I got on the car. But yeah, man, we're done low now. Like, we're super, super low. But It looks really good. Let me know if y'all want to see some more about this on the channel, because my dad's Corvette is pretty clean for being 1987. I'll show you guys the inside. It's literally all OEM. It's literally all OEM in here. You see he got the rosary, because he definitely need to pray. He need God by his side when he's driving this thing, because he was going crazy. I like that they have the gas tank in the back. You see the custom plate. That other thing that goes on the taillight with the lines on it is missing, because when I took it out one time, it must have fell off and I didn't know. And then I got back, he's like, "Where's it at?" And I was like, "I have no idea." So he got to order one of them. But yeah, the front splitter's on. One last look. Diffuser fins are on. I think that's going to wrap up this video. Took so long. Shout out to my dad, because he really helped me out with everything, like he always does. Whenever I need help with doing something or can't figure something out, he always got me. So shout out to him for helping me get this stuff installed. This is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys like the look of the car now. I mean, it's super dirty, of course, but when we wash it up, I'm going to probably post some pics on my Instagram, because I really like how it looks. Oh, we got the nail out, by the way, too. We got the nail out, or the little screw. It was only like this big. Pause, but the screw was only like this big. It didn't even go into past the tread of the tire, so we got that out. But yeah, man, new cosmetic mods are installed. I'm loving it. Like I said before, and I always say, I appreciate you guys for subscribing. We're on the road to 100 subscribers. Stay tuned for the next video. Mods, and more mods for this SRT8. So drop a like on this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. It's SRT Dave, and I'm out.